Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 4th, 2025, and we're going to analyze the QQQ Nasdaq ETF. We're going to cover the market impact of President Trump's new tariffs and China's retaliatory measures, tying it all together to the technical chart data. The market's been reeling from the news. We saw the Dow plunge over 1,600 points, and Nasdaq futures are cratering. This sell-off is attributed to concerns about Trump's tariffs. China is retaliating with tariffs of their own, and economists are warning of a rising risk of recession. Switching over to the daily chart, we can see the recent sharp decline in QQQ. Notice the large red candle on April 3rd, reflecting the massive sell-off related to the tariff news. The market is reacting strongly to the uncertainty and potential economic consequences of these tariffs. Zooming in on the 1-hour chart gives us a closer look at the intraday price action. We can clearly see the volatility spike around the time of the tariff announcement and its immediate aftermath. The bounce today, April 4th, so far is giving some people hope, but we need to assess whether there's enough bullish power to recover. Looking at the 15-minute chart lets us examine the recent price action in even greater detail and gives us a sense as to how good the price is right now. We see a volatile but small recovery in the past hour. The shorter-term chart shows choppy price action, suggesting a battle between bulls and bears as the market tries to digest the news. Key support levels to watch on the daily chart include previous lows around 450 and then potentially further down. Resistance could form near 460 initially, if it manages to get there at all. If the market stabilizes and economic fears subside, we might see a recovery towards those levels. However, given the current environment, the outlook for QQQ is quite uncertain in the short term. Long term, it will depend on Trump's tariffs and China's impact on the overall market, which can be difficult to predict, given how new they are. We'll continue to monitor these charts closely and provide updates as the situation evolves. Keep an eye on earnings reports and further economic data to get a better sense of market direction.